the maintenance of the product as compared to the Saltillo I just tore out?
It's a great product for maintenance. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. You can wet mop it with a mop bucket. You can Swiffer sweeper it if you want to. You could anything you want to do. It can be steam mopped. The Plus and Premier collections can all be steam mopped, which is really cool because we've been riding this wave of vinyl being the most popular flooring category, and it still is. Just sales have plateaued. It's no longer increasing in sales. But I think part of that, too, is customers want to be able to steam mop their floor. And yeah, vinyl is a waterproof floor, but it can't take that hot, high-pressure steam, and it's in the warranty. You can't steam mop it, so it's great to have a floor that you can clean with just hot water.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner